Welcome back to day 13 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. So far, we have been shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, 15-minute declutter in our zones. This week we're on zone 4, the bedroom, master bathroom if you have one, and master closet as well. We've also added resting for 15 minutes. We've been picking out our clothes. We've started decluttering our emails, and all day we've been saying kind words to ourselves. Today we're going to add something super duper fun. It's called a cleaning mission. It's going to tell us every single day something to clean, but in a fun and game-like way. You can find this in the FlyLady website. I'll link it down below. But if you're a member of the Homemaker circle, then we'll be going through these missions together. So that's going to be so much fun. It's only $10 or $20 a month, depending which tier you want to get. And if you haven't gotten your free tracker or your free calendar, check those down below. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 14 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.